When Hritik is taken in a different forms, Charvita Vardhayati Agnim, Peshita Malashodini, Sindham Sangrayani Patya, Brashta Prokta Tridoshanam. That is, when it is taken by chewing, it does the Agni Vardhana. And when it is grounded and taken, it does the Malashodhana. And when it is boiled and taken, it acts as a Sangrayani. And when it is fried and taken, it does the Tridosha. Next concept is when it's taken with a different Anupanas. Lavanena Kapam Hanti, Pittam Hanti Sah Sharkara, Gratena Vatajan Rogan, Sarva Rogan Gudanvita. That is, when it is taken with the Lavana, it acts as a Kafaja Rogara. And when it is taken with the Sharkara, it acts as a Pittaja Rogara. And when it is taken with the Grata, it acts as a Vataja Rogara. And when it is taken with the Guda, it acts as a Sara Rogara. Next concept is Rutu Haritaki. Sindhutta Sharkara Shunti, Kana Madhu Gudaihi Kramat, Varshadishu Abhaya Prashya Rasayana Guneshana. That is, when Abhaya, that is Haritaki is taken with the Sindhutta, Sharkara, Shunti, Pippali, Madhu, Guda, starting from the Varsha Rutu to Grishma Rutu in successive order, it acts as a Rasayana. Thank you.